Good morning, Vlogmas day 9. Oh, I'm losing my voice a bit. So a bit of a different morning. Stephen left about 10 minutes ago, and normally I go back to sleep with B, to be fair, because it's like 6:45. But B's gone back to sleep, and I'm like, actually, I'm kind of awake. And I've got a Vlogmas to upload because I edited it last night. It was a bit of a different night because we actually, Stephen and I had supper together and watched a movie. We normally have supper with B, but we thought we'd have a bit of a different night and watched a Christmas film called Spirited. And it's Ryan Reynolds and Will Ferrell, and I absolutely loved it. They're like two of my favourite funny actors ever. They're brilliant. So yeah, that was good. I'm feeling pretty out of it this morning. I've got to splash some water on my face or something. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit. What will today bring? Okay, so I'm just doing a project for a friend at the moment. We've been waiting on vinyl, but because of the Royal Mail strike, which is totally understandable, by the way, I'm not against it, but I'm just saying it's just taken a lot longer for it to arrive than we thought. So I'm going to use my own vinyl. Luckily, I've got some things in my stash. And actually, Happy Fabric, when I first met them at Tilly and the Button's third book launch, gave me these, and I just haven't used them yet. So a 4-year-old girl, pink sparkly is just what she wanted anyway. That's what I ordered, so I'm so happy I had this. And also some flowers to kind of add to it, so I'll do a big 4 in pink sparkly and some flowers around it, and do some stars with it as well. But I'm just waiting to hear back from her mum what she'd prefer. But I'm really pleased that I've got this pink sparkly, because that was like the main thing I was waiting for in the post, and I've already got it. So yay! Right, I'm gonna get on with some Cricut cutting and vinyl printing with the heat press. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. I've got to wait on the mum's decision, of course. It doesn't look so good on photos. It's really annoying when you take photos of vinyl with the film on, because it just doesn't come up very bright or bold or anything. But I think once that's all kind of actually pressed on, it will look great. I could go really big with the 4, but there's a loop back here, which means that pressing it is going to be really hard, so it's got to be on a flat surface when you're using the heat press. So that's pretty much as big as I can go, because otherwise it would just be down here. But I think that's good, because it's kind of like subtle and also really bold. But I hope you like it, guys. What do you think? Yeah, she's going to look so beautiful tomorrow. By the way, this is for a friend, not for B, just in case people are thinking, what, B is for tomorrow? She's not, but her friend is. So welcome to my absolute heaven, woodwork. I am making This was my mock, don't laugh. This is a very bad pair of scissors that I made for the top of my shed. I thought it would be a really cute little thing to make, but I'm going to use thinner wood because this plank was impossible to cut. So let's have a look and see. But yeah, it's incredible here. It's underneath an estate and it just goes on for miles and miles of reclaimed wood, and then I'll show you the workshop as well. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy Christmas!
So we've come to the best place in North London, the Toy Project.
Right, no one's buying it, I bought it.
It is literally the best place in London. I'm actually here on a covert operation to get some more Advent gifts. So I'll leave B to play.
Children love it.
And let's have a look. I mean, look at this. Look at all the Sylvanian families.
But I think I love it more.
And everything is secondhand. And a huge amount of the money raised goes to kids who can't afford toys. It's all amazing here. Oh, what a crazy day. So woodworking, and then straight to B's nursery. They were doing this like book smart, learning how to read with your kids kind of workshop and bring the books alive kind of thing. It was really lovely. It was really sweet. B went totally off piece. Like all of the kids were given templates and stuff, and B was like, I'm not using a template, I'm drawing my own Cheshire Cat, and made like this amazing face mask. I want to show you your face mask, B, but I have not had lunch yet. Oh, and then we went to the Toy Project, which you just saw. So I have not had lunch yet, and it's 3:30 and I'm so hungry, and B wants to show you her rings. Go on then, B. Oh yes, look at them. Aren't they beautiful? So you've collected those like over the years, haven't you? Every time we go to Niddle Noddle, which is a lovely toy shop,
rings.
you collect rings. You collect lots of things. You are a collector like your daddy, aren't you?
Yeah.
Right, am I allowed to have some? I've got to eat, B. I'm going to be.
I
I've got
need
to
a
eat.
snack.
You have a snack and I eat, okay? We do, don't we? We have our own version of this game. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, go.
Oh, go.
You got 2? Well, that's cheeky. Okay, you ready?
Ready?
Oh, carrot.
Carrot.
Ready, steady. Carrot.
Carrot.
Ready, steady. Oh, go.
Carrot. Okay, ready for the brushing?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Oh, yeah. Brilliant.
You look amazing.
Thank you so much. I always wanted this look. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh no.
What?
You're nervous?
That's better. Yeah, that's that's so much better. Are you happy with this?
How do you look now?
I think pretty good actually. What do you think?
You
Yeah, are you happy with it?
look so brilliant.
Oh yeah, I am so happy with that.
You can go home.
Oh, thank you so much. Can I take my Thank you, I will. Right, Sia, come on, what are we going to sing? What's your song called? I wanna swing from the chandelier. Do you like my tail as well, like a pony? A chandelier from the chandelier. You ready to do whose advent calendar?
Mommy.
You're ready to do Mummy's advent calendar. You've been trying to open that for ages. Go on. She's been like just squirreling away. I came in and she was just going boop. But you guessed the day really well. Do you know what day that is? What does it say?
8.
Oh, 8 was yesterday. So today is
6.
so 6, 7, 8.
No.
Yeah, well done. Go on, you can do it. Oh, this is going to mean very little to you, but it's actually a really cool thing. It's called a seam gauge or a hand gauge. Okay, maybe I don't quite know what it is either. So
Mama,
this is
piggyback.
okay. This is a piggyback. This is a mini hand gauge. Ow, baby, that's really painful, darling. Oh my gosh, that's not a piggyback. That's a shoulder. That's a shoulder ride. Piggyback's on my back. No, piggyback's on my back, baby.
Type of piggyback.
Oh, is it? This is a half and half. Ow, this is an incredibly painful piggyback. Ow! I'm not a fan of this piggyback. This is an owie piggyback. Anyway, really useful for ow, ow, ow. Really useful for so many things with sewing. You can put it on your sewing machine to help you get the right distance. You can use it for hemming. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking because this is getting ridiculous. Anyway, see you in a bit. B, what are you doing? You little monkey.
Type of piggyback.
B and I are doing some crafting on the bed for some crazy reason. I don't know why we've been making such a mess on the bed, but
Because
look at
it's messy time.
it's messy time. Look at mine. Now, it did start out meant to be a bird. I think it's turned out to be some kind of a bug or a bee, but I really like it. I think I'm really pleased with that. B, what are you making, my love?
A bird.
Oh, are you going to use the feathers?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Little monkey. Oh, what day is it today? Can you remember? Because you did my one as well, didn't you? So yesterday was 8. Today is... Go on then. Is that 9?
9.
Yeah. What are you, a lizard? Thank you. Don't. Oh, can you please take
Read the clue first. Read the clue
Don't
first.
look around.
I want you to...
Okay, go on then. Come. Okay. I thought, seeing as what we just watched, this was a good one. Yar, I'll rescue you, said Quasi. He's up on a shelf above a sleeping daddy. But what is that fin? Is it a shark in the sea? No, it's our hero in his Gap B.
I got big. Someone spotted it straight away.
I think she's following it for the clue. Oh, look at that!
You bringing it over?
Is that good? Oh, yeah.
Wow, mummy.
So cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yar, says Quasi.
Can this be my shelf?
Yeah, that can be on your shelf. Of course it can,
In the
darling.
morning, can
Yeah,
I go and show it to another octonaut?
of course you can, darling. That's so lovely. Do you want to say, Yar, happy 9th of December, me hearties?
Yeah, happy 9th of December, me hearty. Ready? Ready, Dad?
I don't
Ready
know
for
what?
what?
Ready for what? Okay guys, it's going to be a late night for me, so I've got the rest of the vinyl printing and transferring to do because I just didn't get to do very much tool. And the party for the person that I'm making it for is tomorrow, so yeah, I need to do that tonight. And also edit Vlogmas, of course, and also tidy up the kitchen and, you know, just general stuff like clean the tables and stuff. So yeah, lots to do. I will love you and leave you. And I'm so excited it's the weekend. So let's see what we get up to. Maybe we'll be finishing the summer house. We're definitely going to see some family. So yes, we will see you then. Lots of love. Take care. Bye.
Of a little man. Clara carefully places a small almond between his teeth and crack! The little nut breaks in two. Give it here, shouts Fritz, pushing a walnut into the nutcracker's mouth. Snap! Oh no, the nutcracker's broken. Fritz, wails Clara. Here, says Uncle Josima, I will fix him. Now off to bed, both of you. Clara can't sleep. She's worrying about the nutcracker. Do you want to press? Press together. Oh. He is all on his own. She creeps downstairs past the clock. Past the...